now you the rain, oh, oh, now you the rain, oh, oh, now you the rain, oh. Hello guys, welcome to Lady O's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare and enjoy your Brussels sprout. It is already cleaned and washed properly. I have it here. I have my onions, lots of onions. I have my fresh tomato. I have my chicken. You can prepare it without chicken if you are a vegan. So I have all my seasoning agents lined up here because we need all the flavors in this Brussels sprout sauce, because I'm going to eat it with white rice. So without wasting of time, I'm turning on my light. My pan is washed, properly washed and cleaned. Everything here is well washed, cleaned and prepared. So I'll pour in my vegetable oil. The quantity is as desired. I would like to heat up a little bit before I pour in my onions and every other ingredient. Guys, let me check if the oil is okay. It's ready. Pour in my onions, lots of onions. I will cover it up and allow it to simmer. Give it some time. Salt, Brussels sprout, black pepper, garlic powder, minced onions, Italian seasoning, thyme, parsley leaves, and my seasoning agent. Cover it up. All right, I will add my tomato because I want it to be like sauce. I'm eating this with white rice, so that's why I'm incorporating the fresh tomato. Guys, my chicken was already baked. It's from the freezer, so it's looking good. Cover it up. Man, this is looking appetizing. Guys, listen, as you are cooking, if you check and it's dry, you can add little water, just as I'm doing now. Add little water so that it will not burn. Like I said, my chicken was already baked and preserved, so all it needs is just to heat it up. This is nice. This is nice. Let me taste for salt and other seasoning agents. Told you, this is delicious. My God! Try this at home. This is delicious. Guys, look at it. It's ready. My Brussels sprout sauce, my white rice. Turn the stove off and then serve. This is going to be legit. This is delicious. Oh my God. Then my chicken. Tell me how you like this in the comment section. Is this not delicious? Is it not looking appetizing? Thank you, guys. Watch for more delicious meals from Lady O's kitchen. Thank you, guys.